Hey there, GetFit friends. Welcome to this week's episode of Tips and Tricks with Jamie. So hey there, GetFit friends. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about shoulder boulders, building up those shoulders. I did that poll on Facebook. You guys were like, girl, I need a shoulder workout. This workout is going to be simple yet effective, and you can do it from anywhere, like the gym, home, or let's be honest, you could totally go to Target and go to the dumbbell section and do this workout in the middle of Target. Yeah. If you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Jamie, and I am here to build some badass women. What I am here to do is to help us ladies rediscover our spark, both physically and mentally, through all things fitness. On this channel, you're going to see tips and tricks for all things fitness related that are based off of questions and comments that I get through YouTube, Facebook, and even from my ladies in class. So, a couple things that we're going to see, tips and tricks, reviews on topics, reviews on clothing, because we love leggings, and also some booty shaking routines that you can do from home or get yourself some extra practice before you head into a hip hop cardio class. So if this channel is for you, make sure that you go hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. All right? I don't know about you guys, but when I first started my journey into lifting weights and into the fitness stuff, I was like, I want some of those arms that are nice and sculpted that if I put them in a tank top, they would look awesome. Shoulder workouts. Girl, we do not need to make it complicated to make it effective. Nope. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 moves that you can do, again, from home, gym, Target, anywhere where you can pick up a dumbbell. And here's the other cool thing about it. It doesn't even really have to be a dumbbell. Just go find 2 things that are heavy around your house. Like, I don't know, water bottle, book, kid. For exercise 1, all you need to do is grab 2 weights or 2 heavy things. If you're unsure what to pick from a weight perspective, go check out last week's episode. I will link it below in the comments. It'll tell you some tips and tricks on how to pick the right weight for you. For exercise 1, we are going to do overhead press. Take a look at this video. What you're going to see is a nice 90 degree with our elbows and our palms of our hands facing forward. And what we're going to do is lift those weights all the way over our head and all the way back down. What you want to be careful is to not lock your elbows. So when you're straight up, don't lock those elbows, keep a slight bent. And when you come back down, think about squeezing those shoulder blades in the back. Exercise number 2, upright rows. This might be my favorite one. So you're going to take both weights and you're going to lift. Palms are facing the front of your body and lift that weight up to your collarbone. Now you don't want to lift it up way high. We want to stop right there at the collarbone. Exercise number 3, lateral arm raises. I know I said that the last one was my favorite, but this one might be my favorite. Lateral raises. What I want you to think about with your lateral raises is lifting with your elbow, not your wrist. So when you raise that weight up, think elbow up. The other piece to this is you don't want to hyperextend and you don't want to bring it way down. You want to keep it in that sweet spot, keeping that shoulder engaged through the entire move. Exercise number 4, front raises. Again, that dumbbell or heavy weight is going to be in those hands and you are going to bring them forward. Palms are facing your body. You bring them forward to the front. Be careful not to overhead or bring down too far behind your back, right here in the middle, and then bringing it down. With that front raise, be careful that you're not locking your arms, but a slight bend in the elbow as you bring that weight up. Number 5, the last one. I saved the best for last. You have to go really light. Okay, deal, pinky swear, go really light. You're gonna go pick up some really light weights or no weights at all if you've never done this move. And what you're gonna do is in around the world. So you're gonna start the weights in the front of the body and you're literally going to wind them around your body and then bringing them back down. Your palms are gonna be facing front the entire time. Be careful not to lock your elbows. Slowly work the exercise from the top to the bottom. For today's shoulder workout, what do we got? Do I have to do 100? No. Do I have to do 3? No. So for today's workout, we are going to do 4 sets of 10 reps. So what does that mean? You're going to go to exercise number 1 and you're going to pick up your weights. You're then going to perform that exercise 10 times. Set your weights down and have a slight rest. I like to shake my arms out. This could be 15 seconds, 30 seconds, a minute, just depends on how you're feeling. You're then going to pick those weights back up and repeat that exercise for another 10 reps. You're going to repeat this process until you've done a complete 4 rounds. Once that's done, you can check off that exercise and move to exercise 2. We're going to repeat the same pattern. Again, lift the weights up, do the exercise for your 10 reps, set it down, have a rest, pick them back up, repeat again. You do it for 4 rounds. So that wraps up this week's episode of Boulder Shoulders. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'm always looking for things that you want to know about, reviews, tips and tricks. What would you like to see? So if you can, leave a comment below. If you like this channel and you haven't already, please go hit the subscribe button. Thanks, guys. And we have a friend. I don't remember what exercise number 4 is. We did overheads. Did we do front raises? I think our cat farted. She stinks. Hey there, GetFit friends. Check out my new video room. You gotta find the right angle. It's crazy. I kinda want the frog picture in there. What this channel is all about is finding and building our inner badasses. You're like, girl, this is the spot I need to be in. Hang tight. Each week I'm going to have a video uploaded that'll be on a specific topic to help us build some healthy habits. But in addition to that, you guys will see some routines from hip hop, cardio, and also from our strength classes. Take a look around. If you like it, go hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, go click that thumbs up button. Subscribe. Make a comment below. Let me know what you think and if there's any other topics that you would like to hear about. Thank you.